Okay, so we're back on my Redneck Super Truck build. I've been working on it pretty full tilt since we got back moose hunting. I painted on Thursday. So I'm starting to put it back all together. Yeah, I'm more just doing body work right now. Or still, I painted the cab and doors and inner fenders and a bunch of stuff. That's 69 AMC Amex Big Bad Green. I painted it because I'm an AMC guy, so I might as well paint it AMC color. We did base clear, so it's dried fast. Yeah, just cleaning stuff up, put it back there. I gotta put the interior back in it still, cause yeah, got my roof lights all mounted up, bolted on, tow mirrors on, and I gotta adjust the doors really bad because they're a little off. But we're slowly going. It's slowly coming together. My goal is to have it done for March, so in April I can put it on the road. Yeah. Then I gotta look at the paint when I'm all done putting it together. Then I might repaint the doors and stuff. There's a few little marks in it, but nothing totally serious. It is a work truck, so okay.